started. Okay, so I have my bowl. It's a pretty big bowl. And I have my slime kit. So I'm just gonna be opening this. Okay, so I opened this. It comes with slime glue and slime activator. So it says behind the box. It says you guys could pour 1 bottle of slime glue. Wait, focus. Pour. Okay. You guys can't see it, but I can. It just says pour 1 bottle of glue. So now I'm gonna pour this glue. I actually wonder if this is what's it called? This glows in the dark. Because if this actually glows in the dark, that'll be super cool. And to tell you guys, if you haven't tried this slime kit, so I don't know if this is actually gonna work. Okay. Now after I'm done pouring glue in, it says add 1 bottle of slime activator to the slime glue and stir. So I have to add the whole bottle, I guess. It says, but let's see if we can actually save this and see if it works on other glue. But not in this video. We're not gonna see if it works on this. In a different video, we're gonna see if this activator actually works for a different glue. Okay. Now we'll get something to stir this in with. So let me see. What can I get? Oops, my GoPro. No, it's GoPro standard. I think that's what it's called. It's falling off. But I'm using my phone, not a GoPro. Let's just use this right here. So I don't know. It's like goopy. It doesn't stretch, but it's comfy enough. can see, it's kind of stretchy. And I might film another video later on today if I can. But if I can't, then I won't. So as you can see, it's getting even more stretchier, but it's still sticking to the bowl. I'm just going to try to get enough slime that's in the bowl so then I can start kneading. Molly just came here to visit, and you just knocked the excavator down. Molly. Now you're just stepping on the blocks. What are you doing? What are you doing? Molly. Okay, you want to stay with me? Okay, watch me. She's like, is that food? Molly actually eats a lot. Like, I mean, she eats a lot. As you can see, it's starting to not stick to the bowl. And the extra slime that was in the bowl is now on the slime. So I don't think we should knead now. Maybe like play around with it. We'll kind of like knead it with this thing. Okay, yeah, I should stop kneading. Oh, this feels so weird. But I'm gonna fix this. It feels so weird. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Yeah, I should have listened to myself. But add activator. Oh no, so it's a lot activator. Kinda rips. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more. Just a little, oh, actually I could just use the bowl. Is a weird feeling, to be honest, because it's like if when you have your slime but you're like, oh, I need a little bit more glue. It feels like you added a little bit more glue to this, but I didn't. And I actually never add a little bit more glue when I'm done making my slime. I only add a little bit of activator unless it's sticky. So I kind of recommend this. I don't really like it because, like I said, it feels weird and it's sticky when you start kneading. You have to knead for a very long time because, like, oh my gosh, it takes forever. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done making the slime. Okay, now the slime is kind of sticky, but it took like about an hour for this to be non-sticky, and it's like I kind of don't recommend this slime since it's kind of sticky. I am gonna be adding some beads. So I'm just gonna carefully open this bead container and pour beads, some of these beads down here. And there. Oops. I actually am doing this on the floor because I have lots of groceries on the table, like fruits and bread and oatmeal and cereal and my slime. Yes, my slime. So probably in the next video I will be on the table. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.